Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the graph of function f shown in the xy plane, and we're asked for what value of x is the value of f of x at its minimum. So if function f is being shown on the xy plane, that means the value of f of x is being represented by y, and x is being represented by x. And so we're asked at what value of x is the value of f of x at its minimum. That means at what value of x is the value of y at its minimum. So looking for the lowest y value, right, looking for the most negative y value, we come to this point right here where the value of y, and therefore the value of f of x, comes out to -2. And that is f when x is equal to, correlating that to its x value, -1, 2, 3. So we have f of -3 is equal to -2, and this is the minimum value of f. So this is the value of x at which f of x is at its minimum is -3, which correlates with b. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.